Hey guys, so I have a new record to open for you. I did partially cut the tape because even though it has one of these satisfying strips on it, it's taped over it. So hopefully I cut it in a way that will make it easier. Of course, the strip's not even really cooperating anyway, but I managed to get it open. So we have INVSN-Let the Night Love You. Their newest album. Invasion is a side project of Dennis Lixon of Refused. So let's check out this packaging. See if I can find a good place to cut it. Wish I had something more narrow than these scissors to cut right now, so I can just slip it right into that gatefold. But I've got it peeling now. So this is the fourth new album that I picked up for this year. Pretty, say kind of medium anticipation for me. And as of right now, there's no other new albums that have been officially announced that I'm particularly excited for. I mean, I know that Sigur Rós has been in the studio recently, but an official release date hasn't been announced for that yet. But it looks like we have some lyrics in the gatefold. Comes custom sleeved, and it is on black vinyl. So yeah, that is Invasion, Let the Night Love You. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and listen to this. Might do a review, might not, but either way, I just wanted to do an unboxing for this for now.